Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to open and edit the host file present in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older Windows operating system, still the tricks will remain the same. So from the topic, you might be thinking that what really is a host file, right? So let me show you what really a host file is. So I'll just give you a little descriptions about a host file. So you can see here a host file, which is used by the operating systems to map a connection between an IP address and domain names before going to domain name servers. This file is a simple text file with the mapping of IPs and domain names. So this is a meaning of what really is a host file in your respective Windows computer. So if you want to know more details about it, just search in the Google itself to know more about this host file. So now what you need to do is just open your file explorer and just open the local C drive where you have installed your Windows operating system. And now you will see here one folder name as Windows. Just open it and just scroll down below, and you will see here one folder name System32. Just open this and just scroll down below again, and you will see here one folder name with drivers. Just open it, and now you will see here one more folder with the etc. Just open it, and now you will see a host file. The first one is the host file, and below also you can see one host file, but this file is a different types of file. So the first one is the original host file. So if you double left click on it, there is no such applications. You can directly open. So how to open this host file? So just right click on it and just select open with, and just select this notepad application, click on OK, and now you will see what's inside this host file. So before, I have already mentioned in the descriptions that it's a IP address and domain name. So you can see here some IP address and domain names are being already added here. So you can add your own custom domain names or IP addresses here. Say I'll just try to add here. So I'll just try to add, and if I click on file and if I click on save, and you can see here it's asking. So let us try to save, and let us try to reopen it if it is saved or not. So let us open it again with the notepad. So you can see the IP address which I have added is not being saved successfully, right? So in order to add and save the editing, what you need to do is just you can either copy or you can just drag it on your desktop screen or any other folder. So let us continue. And now just once again right click on it and click on open with, select the notepad, and now let us try to add a IP address here. You can add a website name also here. And after that, let us click on save and let us close. Now let us reopen it and check if it is saved or not. So finally you can see we have successfully added this IP address. So if you want to delete this, you can delete it and click on file, click on save, and let us reopen this. So finally we have deleted again. So if you want to drag it again, just you can drag it, or you can just copy also. I'll just drag it again, click on continue to add it inside its default folder. So using these methods, you can easily open and edit the host file present in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.